All he ever say is come and see me for one. Come and see me for one. Don't ever come to me. Oh, oh.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup look. I seen like one person asking me to do more makeup looks, so here I am. And today's video is a Valentine's Day makeup inspiration. So if you're looking for a makeup look to do for Valentine's Day, I know it's like a day away, but hopefully this video can give you some inspo. It's a sparkly pink look. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, let's get right into this video. It's very detailed and informative. Okay, so I'm starting off with my brow glue. This is from NYX. I will have everything linked down below, so check my description box if you're interested in the products I'm using. I'm pretty much using the same products that I always use. This is my e.l.f. Luminous Putty Primer. Putting this all over my face and under my eyes. Very important so you don't get any creasing. I am fixing my brows up with some of my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. I did not put any product on my brows. I'm just lining it. And these are just my natural brows. And then I'm going to blend it out, blending in the same direction, and I'm using a Real Techniques brush to do that. Going in with my MAC Soft Ochre paint pot. This is for my eyeshadow base. I'm going to put this all over, making sure that it's one layer. Then I'm going in with my nude Persuasion palette, and I'm using this shade right here, this kind of like burnt orange shade. And I'm using this as my transition shade, so I'm going to put it right in the crease, and I'm patting until I get the pigmentation that I'm looking for. Then I'm using these two to go underneath, and you can see I changed out the brush, so I have 3 different brushes for every step. Then I'm going in with these 2 shimmer shades, and I was attempting to put it on just like this, but then I sprayed my brush with some setting spray. You could use any setting spray, and I'm just patting that in, and this was looking pretty good, so I was satisfied. I go in with a black eye pencil just to make like a fake wing. And then I'm going to do the same exact thing to the other eye. And then I'm going in with my foundation. This is my NARS Radiant Foundation in the color New Caledonia. But before I do that, I'm going to cover up any of my dark spots with my LA Girl Toffee. And I only use 1 pump this time, and I am just buffing it in with my Real Techniques buffing brush. And then I'm using my beauty blender to make sure I have no streaks. Then I'm going in with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Toffee, my favorite color, and I'm putting this everywhere that I want to be highlighted. This is just a natural highlight. It's not too bright. The brighter highlight will be just under my eyes. I let this sit for 5 minutes, and while that is setting, I'm going to go ahead and do the lashes, Climax Mascara, and these Ardell Wispy Lashes, and this liner glue. I'm cutting these in 4, and I'm going to apply it like, you know, individual extensions kind of, so you can see what I'm doing right here. Even if I don't have a full beat, I love these lashes. I need to get some more. Then I'm using my Real Techniques 420 brush. I'm going to have it linked below. I don't remember. And I'm patting gently. I do not do this fast. I feel like when you pat gently, it gives you more coverage. So just take your time when doing this. Then I'm going in with the Cool Tan by LA Girl. I'm going to put this under my eyes only. And then I'm going to start blending my nose. Same thing, Anastasia Beverly Hills in the color Earth. You could use Bobbi Brown. I always say this, and I'm just putting that on my nose and blending it with that same brush to make sure everything will be nice and soft. Then I'm just blending out the under eyes, and I'm going to use my Huda Beauty and my powder puff, and I'm just going to set everywhere that I put the concealer. And I like putting a little bit extra under my eyes just to make sure that it's really set. Charlotte Tilbury bronzer in the color Tan. This is number 3. And I'm setting everywhere else that I did not put powder. I'm using my Bolivebeaute bronzer in the color Ebony, and I'm just bronzing up my face to get more color back into my face. Then I decided to use the eyeshadow palette as my blush today, so I'm using this pinky shade, and I'm just putting it right above the bronzer. Then I'm setting my nose with that same bronzer. And I am filling up my under eyes using these 3 shades. And then I'm going to put a little bit more glitter, well, shimmer at the inner part of my eye. And then I'm going to wipe off the rest of that powder using my MAC Studio Finish powder in the color C7. And then I'm using this Maybelline Fit Me 222 just to set that bright under eye. And I'm using this gel liner from NYX. This pink is so freaking cute and electric. And then I am putting on some mascara on my bottom lashes. Tying my hair so I can spray my face using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish. And I'm drenching my face in this. Then I'm just fanning it dry. And I forgot to put on my nose highlights, so I'm just putting all of these shades. This is my Makeup Forever highlight palette. Wiping my lips, and then I'm using my Morphe Trendsetter lip liner. I need to sharpen this pencil. And then I got this Summer Fridays lip gloss. This is in the color Tan, I believe. I'll link it down below. And then I'm using my Morphe lip gloss in Mercury. And this is the end of the look. Very quick, really pretty. If you're going to try this out, make sure you leave me a comment down below. Give me some pink hearts if this was helpful. And yeah. Okay, you guys, this is the end of the video. This is how the look came out. As you've seen, I really took my time in doing this, especially like the eyeshadow look. I feel like the face routine is pretty much the same. It's always the same. So yeah, if this video helps you, or if you're gonna do this for Valentine's Day or your birthday or something, let me know in the comments below. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up so I know that this video was helpful and informative. And thank you guys so much for checking me out. Bye.
Down real, things are getting intense now. Hear you talking about we a lot, you speak French now. Giving me the sign, so I gotta take a hit now. I hit you up like, you wanna hang right now? On the east side, and you know I'm with the gang right now. You say, do I wanna watch? I know what time it is.